What if your property listing could show more than just interiors? With MAPOG, you can map out the full story, location, lifestyle, and nearby amenities, all in one interactive view. Start by heading to story.mapog.com and clicking Create New Map. Choose the category map template. Give your project a title and briefly describe what it includes: apartments, villas, commercial plots, anything you offer. Use the search bar to locate your property, or navigate manually. Click Add Story, then Add Manually. Use the Polygon Tool to draw the property boundary. Add a title, a quick description, and upload an image. Use the Select Category settings to create categories like apartments, villas, commercial spaces, or co-working spaces. Then, assign the appropriate category to each property to keep your map structured and easy to filter. Then go to Select Polygon Type Settings to Location Type Management and create a new location type. Then add custom fields like rent, availability, furnishing, amenities, address, and photos. This turns every pin into a full listing with searchable info. After filling all the information, hit Save. Then use Polygon Customization to make your map visually clean. Add labels, set category-based colors, and adjust height to reflect building scale. Measure the distance to nearby places using the Distance tool. Then, click Add Nearby, drop a pin or search, name it, set icon and distance, and save. Repeat for each property to show what's around. Your map becomes a visual portfolio, easy to explore, compare, and understand. Once done, go to Share and Publish, set visibility to public or private, and share the map online or embed it on your website. With MAPOG, you don't just list properties, you map opportunities. Smarter listings, sharper insights, stronger engagement. Need help? Reach out to support@mapog.com.